In today's Odyssey, we'll explore an innovation that blurs the line between biology and machines, artificial muscles that mimic our own with unprecedented finesse. Natural muscle relies on overlapping chains of proteins that slide and rotate to contract. But it doesn't just create raw strength. It senses, adapts, and controls movements with nuance. Can technology really achieve muscle's elegance? Engineers at Queen Mary University of London have come closer than ever before. They've created artificial muscles that integrate strength, responsiveness, and sensing in one elegantly designed structure. Here's how it works. The researchers layered carbon nanotubes, tiny cylinders of carbon thousands of times thinner than a human hair. When stimulated by electricity, these nanotubes pull together and shorten, just like real muscle fibers. But that's not all. By layering the nanotubes with silicone rubber, the structure doesn't just contract, it also senses forces applied to it. It's like having miniature sensors embedded right inside the muscle. Within our own muscles, sensing allows for control. Information about strain and tension travels through nerves to the brain, triggering reflexes and fluid adjustments. Likewise, the signals from these artificial muscles can be used to fine-tune robotic motions on the fly. The result is a human-like versatility impossible with rigid motors alone. The artificial muscles can delicately handle eggs one moment, then lift over 200 times their weight the next. Just like our own muscles stiffen reflexively when we grip heavy objects, the stiffness of these muscles automatically adapts by up to 30 times. The applications are thrilling: more organic robot motions, exoskeletons that feel like second skins, prosthetics that respond instinctively to our thoughts. But it also invites deeper questions. If we can meld biology and machines, what does it mean to be human? Our creations reflect something about us, our values, our dreams, our weaknesses. As we engineer artificial versions of ourselves, we must thoughtfully consider what future we aim to build. Of course, there are still many practical hurdles before this technology reaches clinics and homes, but profound innovations often begin with a spark of inspiration. The researchers behind this milestone have lit a spark that could reshape the intersection of biology and engineering. Our own muscles are living works of art that inspire the robotic creations explored here. As engineering seeks to mimic biology, the line between machine and human blurs. What an exciting time to witness these profound innovations. Yet progress requires wisdom to ensure technology uplifts our shared humanity. I hope this video left you feeling fascinated and optimistic about the possibilities when creativity is pursued thoughtfully. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking and subscribing for more videos that aim to inform and inspire. I appreciate you taking the time to watch and look forward to sharing more great content in the future.